Okay, we're going to go over the voice commands for the GoPro Hero 6. GoPro Turn On. This feature is only available in the Hero 6. GoPro Start Recording. GoPro HiLight. You notice a little flag on the bottom right. GoPro HiLight. GoPro Stop Recording. GoPro Take a Picture. GoPro Shoot Burst. GoPro Start Time Lapse. GoPro Stop Time Lapse. GoPro Video Mode. GoPro Photo Mode. GoPro Time Lapse Mode. GoPro Burst Mode. GoPro Video Mode. GoPro Turn Off. GoPro Turn On. GoPro Start Recording. That was sick. That was sick. That is the same as GoPro HiLight. So within the video recording itself, you could just say, that was sick, and it does the same thing. GoPro Stop Recording. GoPro Turn Off. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. GoPro has done some amazing things. This is freaking cool. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,